This channel. My name is Vandana, and I'm super excited that you finally clicked to this video. This is officially my first video. Officially, as in that I finally decided to be a content creator and become constant with the content creation. So I have to have start with something. I thought why not to start with Caillou and me. So Caillou is my cat. Get the neutering done recently, and I thought to share his medicine I got and the routine medicine that I wanted to follow, which might help the cat parents. So this is my first video. Come on, I have to have start with something, right? I haven't decided the niche of this channel. I'm still thinking on it. I really want this channel to be very much, knowledge sharing, valuable, just not a random vlogging stuff. It might be vlogging stuff I can start later. Um, but I haven't decided why I have decided for content creation has a separate story which I could share later. And we are the family of yes, the Caillou. Caillou, come, baby. Guju, Guju. Yes, okay. Hello, say hi. Say hi. नहीं okay, okay, okay. क्या गुडा क्या वो बताओ. Okay. So basically, we are going to be the family of you, me, and Kai. Let's, without wasting our time, let's check the medicines that I got and the neutering process and everything. I will explain in another video. Uh, he shouts so much. He is like he want very much attention and he shouts all day because he wanted to go outside. He is just 7 months old. He's a little baby. When I got him, it's been 5 months when I got him. I adopted him. I rescued him, which has a separate story and very interesting. And I think when I got him, he would be around 2 months. And so I seen him 7 months. And so in 7 months, I got his neutering done. And let's see what are the things that I got from doctor. So this is first one. This is the spray. And this is the neomycin sulfate spray. It is, let me show you. Caillou Machila beta. So it is a silver color spray. Okay. So it's kind of very much funny because now his butt area is all silvery. His tail having the silver color, which I mean, I'm feeling very much funny. But I mean, it's a good spray. It's an antibiotic spray. But the downside of it, when you spray it, you kind of keep the cat in, some place where it gets dry completely because it leaves the patches on the floor. Okay, I have replied yesterday, and he just sitting here and there. So when I see in the morning, I mean, रात में तो इतना दिखा नहीं. Um, क्योंकि सिल्वर था and my floor is also a white creamish color. But when I see in the morning, तो पूरे में पैचेस सिल्वर सिल्वर पैचेस थे which I washed off. तो काफी ड्राई हो गए थे तो थोड़ा सा नॉट टू हार्श लेकिन थोड़ा सा तो मेहनत लगा उन्हें छुटाने में. सो इफ यू गेट काइंड ऑफ सिमिलर कलर्ड स्प्रे फ्रॉम योर डॉक्टर or your cat or dog, just make sure that you put it in a area and let it completely dry, and then only allow your cat or pet to move. Sorry, I will less mention the dogs because I have a habit to say cat or I will say a pet. Pet. Okay, let's see the second one. I have already opened it. So this is cephaloxamine proxetide oral suspension. It is again for dogs and cats, and it's very much interesting because it's got these two bottles which I needed to mix together. I have read the instructions. I have asked the doctor also. I needed to mix this whole bottle in one go. And on the instructions, it is written that it lasts for 6 to 8 days. So I have asked the doctor that how many days I needed to give him because once I mix it, it only lasts for 6 days. So he mentioned that only the 5 days, morning and evening, 1 ml because Caillou's weight is around 3 kg, 100 gram. So 1 ml morning and evening, mixing both. So I am trying to mix them also during the video, but I will see. So these two supplements I got. That's it. No medicine, tablet medicine he was giving, but he said, okay, let's leave it. Then the process is like first you go and you get the blood test done of your peg. If the test reports is fine, then only you proceed for the operation. So this is the test report of the blood test report. Yeah, if I this is the blood test report of Caillou, and he has got the less hemoglobin. Okay, doctor said he has less hemoglobin, so he gave me this hematinica. So he gave me this hematinica uh, um, polyherbal hematitic syrup. Um, this is the syrup. It's for it's he said it's for iron and it's for improving the hemoglobin. And I needed to give this 3 ml once a day, anytime after or before food. But I'm planning to give him only half an hour after the food. But once the cryo completely recovers, okay. So this is like something additional, and it cost around. I have seen somewhere it's cost around 450. Okay, it was in bill, I guess. It's not here. All these medicines are not very much. It's just rupees 160. I think it should be around this only. It's 348 rupees. So I assume I didn't get from like medicine to medicine, bill. He just wrote that this is the complete medicine bill around 1500 I got. So I assume he just gave me on the MRPs. One more thing that I have got for the Caillou is this is the Avot shampoo. This is like completely additional. That this is not from the doctor side, but um, Caillou didn't have. He was having the shampoo, but it was super. um like smelly floral smell was there, so I don't wanted to use the some product which has the perfume or the scent. Caillou's coat is good according to the age. It's very much soft. Uh, he also gets couple, of course it's a fat thing, right? Hair fall is very much common, but I just wanted to maintain his coat. I used to give him the omega capsules also, but he completely denied it, stopped eating it. And if I give him, he's just stopped eating the food. So then I stopped giving him because food is important. Caillou is important, otherwise he will die if he don't eat the food. So yeah, this is the shampoo which he gives me. It says oat shampoo, soothes and relief itchy skin, formulated for dogs and cats. So I will going to review it soon. So stay tuned. And one another thing that I got for Caillou is this flea comb. This is by the Smarty Pet, and this cost rupees 160. Again, I'm assuming I didn't get any discount on it. I would just calculate. I didn't get the time to calculate, but I will just calculate uh and just see if what I got in the bill and this is have the same value. So I will come to know if I get any discounts or not. So this flea comb, basically Caillou didn't have any flea, but he do mate with other cats. I have the stray cats outside, two stray cats. Their name is Chillu and Taksu. The Taksu is tuxedo kitty, so I simply name him Taksu. I will sometimes show. Uh, so he needs them, and sometimes Caillou interacts with other cats. My friend having a cat, which is they are very much good, and they are bigger, 5 years, 4 years cat. Of course they don't have fleas and things, but they go outside because they're bigger cat, and they interact with Caillou also. Caillou is indoor cat. And reason for buying this comb is Caillou likes it. Pets like, when you comb them, groom them, and he like kind of rubs his face, with my combs. So I just needed to discard or clean again my comb. So I just bring him the separate comb. Although he has to have this plastic little combs. But I thought to get one with this it has metal teeth. So no plastic on Caillou. So yeah, that's it for video. Hope you like it. Hope you like how Caillou treatments goes well, and these are the medicines. Hope it will provide you some value around the medicines. If you have any question, do ask me, and we will keep making this video and keep growing together. And thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video, and do consider subscribing if you like it.